Hi and welcome back. This is just a quick video to let you know that I've heard of a new co-pilot mode which is coming out for the Pro and the Pro Max and the Beacon. It's only going to affect you on 3 different modes, which are going to be the follow, the side track and the dolly track. And it's a hybrid mode in which you can change the parameters of the flight in flight. So if for example, going through some trees and the drone's behind you and you've got the drone set at say a mid-level and close, as you exit the trees you can then change it to follow you at a further distance and higher, but it's all done with the beacon. Similarly, if it's on sidetrack and you go in somewhere and then you want to move it out, then you can use the beacon to extend it out further on to give you more dynamic shots as you're actually cycling, walking, running, whatever, but allows you to change it on the fly just to give you a more seamless transition between your shots. So if you found it useful, give us the thumbs up. Try and get me into triple figures, that would be great. And as soon as I know any more, I'll let you know. Thanks very much. Bye bye.